អត់ចង់បញ្យល់ម្ដងទៀតនោះទេចឹងចាំមើលថាការលួចលុយនៅក្នុងសัตว์8ម្ដងនេះតើបានប្រមាណនេះគ្នាតែមួយថ្ងៃហ្នឹងខ្ញុំតាមដានគ្រប់គួរកាកាសអ្នកដែលយក Selena យ៉ាងច្រើនបានមួយបើ Q ឬក៏មួយបើ Com ឯងហើយចាប់ពីនាទីទី2ឡើងលើអត់ហ៊ានវាយ Com នាទីទី2ឯងចឹងចាំមើលថា Selena របស់យ៉ាងគាត់ក៏ហ៊ានវាយ Com នាទីទី2អត់បាទជាមួយនឹង Kaiser បាទចឹងស្វាគមន៍អ្នកនេះមកកាន់ជំនួបនៃការប្រកួតវគ្គផ្ដាច់ព្រាត់ Team Spirit ត្រូវជួយជាមួយនឹងយ៉ាងគាត់ទីក៏ដែល Team Spirit នាំមកជាបដិសន្ន1-0
Season Hunter ដាក់ចៃវិញមើលមកបែបចង់ដាច់បាត់ហើយណា Season Hunter
Spare Flick ហើយក៏អត់ Spare Flick ហើយក៏អត់លេងក្រសិនម្ល៉េះដែរកាកានោះបើសិនជា mid នេះចាញ់លបឿន farm តើ Savo នឹងជួយបានអត់តែបើសិនហ្នឹងហើយ Season Hunter ដែលបាននិយាយចឹងបើសិនជា mid នេះគេវាយបាក់ lane តើ Savo ជួយបានអត់នេះគឺជាសំណួរយើងជាមួយអ្នកនរគ្នាហើយការចូលវាយសត្វព្រៃនឹងចាញ់មកដែរទេមួយចាញ់មួយកង់មួយចាញ់មួយកង់
មានអារម្មណ៍ថាគាត់
clean គេលេង festival ណាបាទចាប់ជើងគាត់បាច់ដូចបាននិយាយអត់បាន flick ទេហេតុអីមិនយក spell ឈាមហេតុអីមិនយក Carson Pla សាអូ
មិញ Special ក៏រត់រួចមិញជាប់ stand នៅនឹង2ដងរត់ធ្វើឲ្យកើតដល់ចូលស្គៀមយល់បងតែគាត់គិតថាយកប្រៅស្មៃគាត់នេះដឹងគាត់ទុកនេះដឹងទុកសម្រាប់ sustain ដឹងបើ skill ឡើងឈាមបើ skill ឡើងឈាមអញ្ចឹងណាឥឡូវ
បាទ
ហើយ flicker ទុកលោតចាប់ព្រោះតែស្ថាឥឡូវអត់មានតែលោតចាប់ផង initiation អត់មាន
អត់ដល់ថាវាដូច purify មួយប៉ងក៏អញ្ចឹងយើងជាប់ stand ក៏ចុចបានដែរហើយតួយ៉ាងស្អុយគ្នាយើងចូល do damage បានដោយសារខ្ចីឈាមពី spare ឈាមហើយមិញតែគ្រប់ stand ជាប់ហើយមាន spare ឈាមបាទហើយ spare ឈាមធ្វើតទី1ចុចបាន2ដងcooldown វាតែ60ហ្នឹងបាទចូលកាប់យកទៅលើ Savo មិញអស់ពី first blood ជន់ចៃមួយទៅលើ sunset lover នេះខ្លួនឯងជ្រះជាមួយនឹងអាំងប៉ាវមកវិញនេះគ្នាពេល Zoo Ego is ប៉ុន្តែ damage អាច deal ដល់សមាជិកយ៉ាង Galacticos នោះទេបាទចូលយជាមួយដូចគ្នាខាងលើចាប់ជាប់ទៅលើ blink ឬក៏មិនជាប់ចូលចាប់មកធួនប៉ុចថាថលទី1តែ4វិនាទីតែម្ដងកាកាបានទៅលើ Team Spirit
ការសម្រាប់ចេញលឿនណាពី Team Spirit Frog ដោយសារមិញគាត់ខាត់ midland first blood មែនប៉ុន្តែអ្វីដែលចំណេញ Zoe ក៏គាត់ទៅវាយបំបិត level ទៅលើយីងហើយខាត់ទាំងឈាមទៀតអញ្ចឹងធ្វើឲ្យគាត់មាន200អាចប៉ះជាមួយនឹង Total បានល្អ
បាទមិនគួរយ៉ាងកូនក្លាតកោវាយ mid first blood ហ្នឹងមកអត់ ready EXP Total ទី1ចូលអត់បានបណ្ដោយអរ៉ៃណាមួយ Total ទី1នេះរោមកអត់មាន level 4ដូចគ្នាអត់សុបាយមើលចាំមើលបែរតែចាប់ Hydra ជាប់ដែរទេចំណែកឯ Galu ជីកបានដែរទេបាទព្រាមខាងលើចូលលេងមួយឈុតពីរឈុតទៅលើ Kit Bomba ជាមនុស្សដែលនិយាយខ្លាំងធ្វើក៏ខ្លាំងដែរវាយវិញទាំងពីរវាយរត់ទាំងពីរ Oh my Kit Bomba តានអត់ចប់ Kit Bomba ក៏មិនត្រូវ Savo នេះគ្នាឲ្យ emoji Falcon មួយពីខៃទេ
គាត់និយាយមិញ Valentina វគ្គនេះសុបាយណាcopy skill តា Selena cooldown skill លឿនណាបាទគាត់អាច spam ដូចគ្នាប្រយ័ត្នប្រយែងតិចព្រោះគាត់អ្នកដែលមាន purify មានតែម្នាក់ណា
បាទហើយមួយទៀតគាត់អាច copy Alot ទៅ team fight អាយ៉ា Alot អាចធ្វើមក stand របស់ Selena របស់ Sunset Lover Alot អត់ទេបាទណែឃើញ midland Selena ការដាក់ចៃពីរបើក map សងខាងយកហ្មងអញ្ចឹង midland គេដើរទៅណាយើងដឹងដែរបើគេដើរតាមផ្លូវស្ទឹងគេវាងឆ្ងាយខាត់ពេលយូរតែបើគេដើរតាមផ្លូវស្ទឹង Selena វាយ kill Selena ចាំ stand ជាប់វាយងាប់យកបងបាទ purify អត់មានដូចគ្នាគ្រាន់មួយមាន gold land មួយមាន experience land ចំអាឡតមកមិនទៀតហើយថតនេះនឹងទៅជាងណាបលិញអស់ពាក់កណ្ដាលប៉ុន្តែអស់ស្គីទី2ដូចគ្នា clear land ដើរចេញពីខៃស៊ី
Selena គេអត់ប្រែនោះអូខាតពេលបាត់ហើយ
បាទ
អាចនឹងខាតពេលអត់មើលមើល
ពីទំខល
គេ gang
ជុំសមាជិករបស់យ៉ាងកូនកលាតិកោនៅវគ្គផ្ដាច់ប្រក់នេះលេងដូចជា5ប្រៃដល់ហើយបាទកំ pl បាទមិតគេ clear មុនថតគេចាប់មែមុនទេក៏ដែរបាទ
អាឡតអត់បានទៅអាឡតអត់ទៅអត់មានមែន damage ណាឯងប្រកបាត់ពឹងលើ damage មកអាឡត
បាទ ESM គេបាត់ land អាឡតបាត់ហើយចឹងណូអូគេបាត់ land អាឡតបាត់ហើយអាឡតមករួចទេគេវាយហើយកាក់ land
គាត់មក
ESM យក minion មកទៀតពីគិតបំបាអត់ខ្វល់គិតបំបាវាយសញ្ញាប្រាប់គ្នាថាកំតចូលខ្ញុំយក minion មកទៀត stand ចាយ flick ឃើញខុសពី sunset lover តែ Esmeralda មកពីក្រោយ team fight នេះទៅបីយកទៅហើយគេឲ្យរួចដែរចូលបាយហើយពី Savo ចូលចាប់ជន់ឈ្មោះនៃ LT ផ្ទះមកវិញប៉ៅនេះគ្នាមកបាយយកទៅលើ Savo តែអាចនឹងអស់ skill មកវិញនេះខ្លួនឯងរំញីកាយជើងបាញ់ទៅលើ Savo តែ Savo មួយគិតបំបាអាចជ្រះបន្ទាប់ទៅជួយ fight stand ជាប់ទៅលើ goal stand មិនចឹងហីកូអូយ my stand be crazy
ពីកោគ្មានបានបាញ់ឯមកគ្រាប់មិនបានបាញ់មិញទៅអស់អាចទៅ2នាក់អូ my god ហីកោអូមកមិញគាត់ដឹងថា flow មិញកាត់អត់តន់មកទៅដោយសារ expanding river រត់លឿននោះតែដឹងមិនដែរពី kid bomba ក៏គិតថាគ្នាគាត់អាចវាយបាននេះមកដល់ក៏មាញ់អត់បានបាញ់អីហ៎ស៊ី stand នេះបងបាញ់បានគ្រាប់អូសានហោះពីលើមកបាក់ម៉ែដែរបាទពឹងថាមកពីមុខ
ចំណិតសក់
បាទតែហានក៏បាក់លេងដែរវគ្គនេះគេសកតឡែនមែនទេយកទៅ pressure ពីខាង Kid Spirit នៅតែមាន
Kid Bomba មួយចៃពីរចៃខ្មៅអស់ពាក់កណ្ដាល Kid Bomba មាន Spirit ទេ Biver មួយទៀតអត់ហើយអត់បាទបាច់ក៏យ៉ាងណាចូលកាប់ជះផាច់ឡើងជាសក់ Kid Bomba មិនខ្ចីដែរ
អត់ទេមិញបើកុំផ្ទះខ្ញុំគិតថាអត់អីហើយប្រាប់
យេ
អត់សើហានរត់ចូលស្មៅលេគាត់ផ្ទះចេះពីស្មៅអូយយ៉ាចេះវិញ
មកសុំងុំគាត់អត់មានស្គីទី2ហងស្គីទី2គាត់គូដោនបាត់ហើយផ្ទះទៅមិនបាន stack អត់មានចាក់ទៅទៀតទេអស់ហើយជុំ
គេថាមិនអត់ផ្ទះល្អជាង
បាទទឹកចិត្តកីឡាករយ៉ាងកូនកីឡាករក៏ឡើងវេបផ្លាយប្រូតអស់ប្រៃមកហើយបាទលេងកំ pl ណាដូចលេងកំ pl
ខាងក្រោមគេទៅដល់ទៅពតហ្នឹងនឹងលើខាតពេលយូរណាអូទៅអើយច្រើនណា
សេលេណាចាប់ម៉ែបាយដាក់ចៃស្មៅក្រោយហ្នឹងប៉ុន្តែអត់ស៊ូអេក៏អេចាប់បានមួយហើយទៅលើស៊ូអេក៏អេប៉ុន្តែសាវអស់ពាក់កណ្ដាលនេះក្នុងណែគីឡូមាន stage burger ពេញអាជីបានគ្រប់ពេលវេលាជាមួយនឹងBlink កំពុងតែចិញ្ចឹម stage របស់គាត់ពេញតែម្ដងឥឡូវចង់ចិញ្ចឹម stage ទៅលើ Kid Bomba វិញម្ដងអត់ចង់ចិញ្ចឹមទៅលើសាវទេយ៉ា Kid Bomba hello and បោស្គីទី1មកបោស្គីទី1ជះចាប់ថង4 stack 5ជីសាវជះយកសាវចូលទៅកាន់យីងគេដាក់ពេលយីងអត់មានតែក្នុងនេះមានការបាញ់ពីក្រៅពីសានជីនេះគ្នាវាទៅមេដាច់មួយយីងទៅមុនគេដោជាមួយវត្តមានរបស់សាវមួយតែ Kid Bomba នៅក្រោមដៃរបស់សានជី Blink ទៅការដកថយល្អរបស់លឹកមួយទៅនេះដែរហេសានតែលើបើមនុស្សមកក្នុងមិនវាយខ្ញុំចឹងសុំទៅការរត់មិនរួចទេជីតនអូយសាប់ Blink ជីតនជាមួយនឹង RT លើទី2ក្នុងទី5នេះអានេះជីតន target ទី3ដែរទេជីតនក៏មិនទាន់ជីតនទេបាន target តែប៉ុណ្ណោះតែធ្វើទៅធ្លាក់ទៅដៃរបស់សមាជិកចឹងកូន Galacticos
ដួលបាត់បាទខាតបងមួយនៃពេលដែលគាត់ដេញពេកឲ្យឲ្យគេ spam skill ជីកបានហើយគាត់អត់មាន spell មាន flick ដែរតែរត់រួចមិញ flick តាមិញ flick អូមិញចាយ flick ទៀតហ៎ Team Spirit យ៉ាមានរឿងអីចេះ YG កំពុងតែអាចនឹងមានឱកាសគ្របទៅដល់គាត់វិញណាតែគាត់ថាបើយើង best ទៅលើ performance និង gameplay Team Spirit គេនៅតែមុំអញ្ចឹងតែ YG មានកំហុសច្រើនដែលយើងបានមើលឃើញប៉ុន្តែចាំមើលពេលដែលពាក់កណ្ដាលពាក់និងចុងពាក់គាត់អាចធ្វើបានល្អវិញ
បាទកាប់ណាគេឥឡូវកាប់សាវមកផ្ទះពេញ stage burger ជីខ្វោកបោកវាយជាមួយ Kid Bomba មុនគេអត់មាន purify Biver Kid Bomba stage Sky ពេចូលទៅកាន់ហាន10 stage ហ្នឹង
បាទ free stack Sky Visa 10 stack បាត់ហើយ thread ក្រុមមុខដាច់ហើយនឹងមុខដាច់ wait តើ Hiko គាត់អាចនឹងយក Sky Visa អត់វគ្គនេះបើនិយាយស្រួលហ្មងសម្រាប់ខាងពួកគាត់បើគាត់midland
អូយកាកដាសួរអីក៏អីBlink នៅពីក្រោយនេះគ្នាអត់មាន flick តាមនោះទេ stand របស់ Selena គប់ជាប់ទៀតហើយទៅលើ Savo ពី Kaizi កាប់1កាប់2កាប់3សុំលេងដែរមកលើបាទសានជីគឺសង្គម fan ខ្លាំងមែនសានជីបាទព្យាយាមឈ្មោះទៅកាន់ late game ខ្លាំងមែនសម្រាប់ខាងសានជីព្រោះដោយសារតែសានជីឥឡូវគឺគាត់ KDA គាត់ល្អ104អញ្ចឹងបើសិនជាគាត់នៅ performance ល្អចូលដល់ចុងវគ្គគាត់មានតែធំទៅតែមានសង្ឃឹមសម្រាប់ខាង team YG ដដែល បាទអូ Sunset Lover ធ្វើមកតាន់នេះប្រហោងពោះមកធីមយកមក Kid Bomba ថាខ្ញុំទៀតហើយខ្ញុំពាំងគេទៀតហើយខ្ញុំបាទខ្ញុំទៀតហើយបាទអ្នកត្រូវ start 20ណាបាទអ្នកបាយឈាមអត់20អ្នកអត់បាយឈាមដាក់អាទីកាត់តអាទីអស់ពាក់កណ្ដាលទៅលើសានជីអត់បញ្ហាមកកាប់ពីហានប៉ុន្តែមិនតបញ្ចប់យីងមានផ្ទះ flick ក៏យ៉ាងណាផ្ទះ flick យកជាមួយនឹង Zoo អីក៏អីមក stand មកដៃបាក់កង Sunset Lover សតមិន Zoo អីនោះទេតែព្រៀបជាមួយនឹងការកាប់1កាប់2ទៅលើ Kid Bomba ដកថយតនពេល
Sunset Lover គាត់អស់ហើយមិញគាត់ flick តែគាត់អត់ចង់ចំណាយអញ្ចឹងណាបាទ what a flicker final slash វិញយីង cái ai phang lót bằng cái ai phang lót bằng cái mình clot một Hirara ai phang lót bằng tai còn thắt tơ một xà vô lúc ta đập lính ring xà vô chênh rồi có kết bom màแต่จังสวยก็ใช้ถึงเป็นสไปร์แบบประกันเลย
มาเตะบอลไวกินบ้าฟอร์คิดบ้าจัดขึ้นไปจดดูจัดคนตายนะแต่รถใจอมกังโดยเคลียร์ฟองได้บ่ยานาช่วยกระสันสายโจตการซานชีสเพลโจตการไกลสิไอที่จะไม่เป็นป๊อปโจตการที่มันกลาเกาตะปีกรำในเคลียร์บ่เซเลน่านี่เด้งสำหรับเมาส์ดิเมกกะอัดมินช่วยเบือนฟาร์มมันเต้โดยยำใหญ่แม่ตานี่เนี่ยได้เล่งเซเลน่าฟาร์มเลื่อนอย่างเงี้ยก็ไม่ได้เราตุกี้แขวนั้นก็ไม่ได้เกเล่งปานช่วยฟาร์มเลยออฟลิกมวยได้ไอออสกิลมวยแต่บัดนั้นคือไอการต่ออาร์ตีบางกระเปเลยยิงอาร์มีฟลิกเต้หลอดมือนี้ไวเก็บบุญต้นพรำไวเก็บมันเจ้าเล่มวยเลือกได้กันแรงบ่าดอกดิแฟนทอมชอบการซูเอโกเอสเด็กเนี่ยมันใจเล่นมวยตรีชิมไม่เต้โอ้ยซาจีเขาแต่ละคิดบ้าเขาชิมตามจนตำรองแต่คิดบ้าเนี่ยแต่เปียมุกยัดเด้งตามไปบลิงดาวรอสเต็กเบอร์เกอร์เป็นแต่ละซาโบชีที่กอมชีอาชีได้สเต็กฟรีที่การหันบัตรหายจอมบลิงก็ไปจับตัวเต็มมีการไปในกระไรโบชิมือโบได้คิดซาโบใส่มันเก็บบลิงเจียดมาได้คิดว่าได้แต่ก็มีการโยกบอลชิมือน้ำบลิงแต่ละสวยก็อีสันแต่ละบอลชินเนี่ยมันตัวใบเคียร์ในขนมได้เราบอกย่างกันละติโก้โดยจะมีการโยปอมันจางนั่นก็เกยโดยสร้างตะเกียบดันเอาเฮ้ยโยปอมาประจำรอตีกับโยจะมันฟอร์มที่บวยมิดฟอร์มที่ปีข้างกราวลอยลิดกับตายไอ้นั่งถือสตันนะบอไกลสีได้เต้แต่ถือสตันไอ้เป็นปัญญาขึ้นมาเตะมาฟลิกมาสตันมาเนี่ยมาได้เชื่อจับจอมจบนั่นก็ไรคิดบอมมาปะก้อนนั่นก็ไรในที่นี้เชียร์ is all off ตะก้อนนะบอ
no bà men shield tiền nó té bà tập pin là tí anh được bay shield ở tay lớn sao tiền thu rồi đấy
มวยจำยิงไปยังมีฟลิกเตียด
ยิงอยู่ยิง
มีฟลิกเตียดจับตัวมันเนี่ยทำมาฟอร์มามวยสตาร์จอมนักเก็ตเต้
ก็พายจะจำเทคเชนไปลดมาเหมือนเดิมก็ได้จังอะไรเซลได้บิวดีปีฮันเวียนเรื่องไอ้แจ๊ทีมสปิริตมาในการเล่นน้องแวะนี่มากิจับบานชลันครั้งแต่น้ำมวยสุรินทร์นึกอันจะปัญหามวยสำหรับกอดได้เทียร์3ใบเสียล้อหายนะดับปีนาทีใบละหมอมก็โดยกอมันเซอร์ยังไม่ในรถตกเตี้ยได้vàลิ้นก็เป็นสูตกเตี้ยได้
ป่าสตันจอบอย่าทนน้อยจำสเต็กเบอร์เกอร์ต่อเตี้ยเป็นเพลงสตันอุ้ยจำฮิโก้มันจับบ่าจังหวัดปัญหาที่นี่ฮิโก้ตะการดอถอยตอนเป็นเรียบร้อยบ่าเล่นมวยเลือกได้กันเล่นมวยลดนี่ยังก่อนกระดก็หาโดยจิบเล่นได้เอามาตันปนังบาน
จะจำยอม
ฮัลโหล
จะเล่นมวย
bà tẹt mối diện trăm là tẹt tay bà nói diện trăm là tẹt tay bà nói bà
อย่างก่อนก็เราก็ดิสซิปลินได้ก็aggressive ได้กับอะไรนี่เบอร์ aggressive ก็แบบเลยนะตู้จะก็เป็นฟลิกเกอร์เตี้ยแม้แต่ก่อนพายจะจำชุดที่ปีนั่นไปแต่ชั่วโมงนึงล้อมันเนี่ยมาหนึ่งโยบ้านนั่นคือจันดังมาแทนแบบนี้ sunset lover บาทเล็กนะการแต่โยบาลานตี้นะโยมันเล่นแต่ใบกับหมอยมีการ copy skill โยมีการพิกปีการยังก่อนอะไรก็ copy skill แบบอะไรคืออะไรนั่นอย่างประมาณเล่นสมัยก็แต่ซาเกมินจะเลยเนี่ยใบทำไปฮิโก้โกเล่นเขาเนี่ยมาป้อน500 โกแต่มาป้อน600 โกจำนายจังกันแล้วเขาเนี่ยชนะมาได้ PK จักบุญมาในการเขาเนี่ยโกสรุปในการนำบอลว่ายังก่อนกาลาติกัสคือ6.7 PKล้อตีปีนังจังมาเนี่ยเป็นแต่ยันโดยเคลียร์ปัญหาจากเมอร์ทีมสปิริตมีอะไรทำไมต่อไดโนเตมาการจอนเอ็กซ์เพรียนแล้วตามแวะก็อยู่เรื่องจำแหน่งใต้อะไรบัดอันล็อตเนยเปดับแปะกระดานนังจองแวะโนเตเนยเปดับทีมไฟอันล็อตมีนคือใต้ดับเตะบ้านจมูกเนี่ยดับแบกไลน์มันก็ได้ดังเกี่ยวแอปอะจะคอนี่เหมือนกันแล้วล็อตมันนี่เห็นเฉยๆ
บ่า
ฮิโก้บะเลยไงแบบนี้เกมเป็นฟลิกต่างก็คือจังฟลิกจับกอดไปหน้ากับบ้านเลยปลิงฟลิกจับกอดกับบ้านได้นะ
บ่าลอดออฟแปะกระดาษเชียมผิดบอมบาโจก็มันโจเคยปลิงเคยซันเซ็ตแล้วว่าบัตรวัตถุเป็นซูเอเกสโนเต้ปัตตาซานจีตอนจังเลยนี่ขโมยฮันก็มันตอนจังเลยเคลียร์ลอดดิเซตไม่เนียนเพรสเซอร์ได้ข้างขอบนั้นบ่าโอ๊ตไอ้ไม่เนียนนั่งใบตัวมาเป็นบ้านเอ๊ะเคยมัวบีจมยังตายยิงตื่นแต่เคยมัวนั่งmìnhจมยิงตื่นnàyใหญ่สโลว์อ่ะบ่าไอ้จ้า
ก็โยมีเนียนไปเชอร์คอมเนาะ
โอ้แจ็คเก็ตพอดวาสตันมันมาเมื่อ ឡតឈាមពាក់កណ្ដាលវាយឡតនេះវាយឲ្យសមាជិក Team Spirit អើតមុខចេញមកវាយជាមួយនឹងពួកគាត់ stand នៅតែបន្ត spam ការវាយឡតនេះគឺវាយដាក់បន្ទុកឲ្យសមាជិក Team Spirit ធ្វើការអត់មុខ stand បន្តទៀតដូចគ្នាគប់ត្រូវអ្នកណាគិតតាមអ្នកនឹងដូចគ្នាប៉ុន្តែបលិញគេតែអស់ពាក់កណ្ដាលបលិញ recall បលិញអត់ recall ទេចុចឈាមក្រសួងចូលវាយបន្តទៀតធម្មតាបាទនៅតែការឆៃស្មៅ Roland ផោគ្នាទៅវិញមកចុចរោមបាកាយអស់ការអត់ធ្មត់ហើយអស់ការអត់ធ្មត់ឬក៏យ៉ាងណាបលិញមួយមីនៀនខំឆាត់ណាមីនៀនខំ
ยิงเอาฮะยิงเอาไฟในสไลด์เอาฟลิกเด็ด
អរេបាទពួកគាត់ថយដោយសារតែ
เอาฟลิกกันน่ะ
បាទអស់ flick អូត្រូវចោលប៉មក្រមហីចោលប៉មក្រមហីមានរៀនក្រមបុកវិញ
โอ้
ចោលប៉មក្រមដែរបាទចោលប៉មក្រមវិញហើយការលេងបាត់ Team Spirit ហាក់ដូចជារងខានការបានល្អឃើញបាទគេឃើញហើយពីសាវ៉ូដកថយមកយ៉ាងខ្លួនមានរៀនក្រមវាយប៉មដាច់ប៉មក្រមមួយអានដាច់មួយទៀតមានរៀនក្រមនឹងច្រើនណាស់ ដាច់មួយទៀតតែ3បាត់លោកចាប់ដើម3តុបទៀតក៏តុបទៀតចាំងកន្លែងអ្នកតុប fast load ក៏ fast load ក៏លែនគេ clean ណា fast load ដល់ fast load ដល់មីនិតបុកទៀត fast load មីនិតអណយដែរទេបលិញ do state ដែរទេអាឡតចូលទៀតបោកចាប់ជាមួយ state បើក៏ទៀតបាន3អូចូលបោកយកទៅសាវមុនគេតែ load free ទៅកាន់សួរ egoist master ជាប់បាត់ហើយផែដាក់ចូលគ្នាទុកចៃណាស់ចឹងវិញពីកាយ see explain មិនទៅចាប់មានការ stand by យកទៅលើ kid bomba trap kill so many ឯទៅកាន់កាយ see so many ឯគ្មានមែនឯនោះទេបញ្ចប់វគ្គយកទៅដល់ wipe out it's over មួយតទៅមួយគឺបានទៅលើ team Yangon Galacticos
โอ้ my god បាទមួយនឹងការបេតបានហើយតែតែខ្សែរ៉ូបាត់ clean ហ៎រ៉ូបាត់ clean ក៏ប្រហែល fast load ខ្លាំងណាស់តែមិន load យូរណា